How to transfer eFootball mobile account to PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to transfer your eFootball mobile account to PC. So to transfer your eFootball mobile account to PC, you need to link your mobile account to Konami ID, then use that same Konami ID to log in onto the PC version. So this allows you to access your mobile game data on your PC. So to do that, first thing first, just open up your eFootball on your mobile device and simply go to extras option and then support, then just click on link Konami ID. And you may need to register for a Konami ID if you don't already have one, that is. So follow the on-screen instructions to link your account after that step and ensure you have access to the email address associated with the Konami ID, as you may need to verify the link with a code sent to that email. So once you do all of that, you will be successfully linking your mobile data account, that is your Konami ID, to the one on your PC version. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.